Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Mazda like CX-7, Mazda 3 or Mazda 6 with a 2.3 engine guys, turbo engine, it might actually work for other engines as well. And you're trying to locate your EGR valve guys because we have a code related to EGR valve. Stay with us and we'll explain where the EGR valve is located, how to replace it, what needs to be done. We have the engine out of the car so we can show you now a little bit better because otherwise it's really hard to show you. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So let's start on it now. So this is guys 2.3 turbo engine out of the car. So now we can explain a little bit what we're talking about. This is the front of the engine, this is your intake manifold, the side of the engine with the serpentine belt. Now if you come towards the back side right here guys, okay, that's where your EGR valve is located. Okay, it is located guys right here. This is your EGR valve with the EGR tube here as well. I have this one removed, it has only two. Okay, this is the one that gets plugged up usually really bad. You can see ours, we have quite a bit of deposits as well. So this is guys a valve. Now in order to remove and replace it, you need to disconnect the wire, you need to disconnect these holes, and after that guys, all we have to do, okay, you have two bolts and you're ready to go ahead, remove and replace your EGR valve. As you can see, not very complicated at all. Now on the car guys, what do you need to do on the car? You have the car battery here, so you might need to remove the car battery to get to it. After that you should be able to get to it and remove it. It's a little bit limited room, but it's doable. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you trying to locate it and replace it and know what needs to be done. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car and engine. Please guys subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching guys and see you next time.